Hello, and welcome to the third and final module in this Using Information and Communication Technology chapter of the MSMIT, a tool that offers practical guidance for implementing comprehensive HIV and STI programs for gay, bisexual, and other men who have sex with men. This training is brought to you by MSMGF, the Global Forum on Men who have sex with men and HIV. After completing this third module titled ICT and HIV and STI Programming, you should have an understanding of 1. Ways ICT can be applied to HIV and STI programming. 2. ICT and its potential use in HIV and STI program management. And 3. The potential for ICT to assist in creating enabling environments. With these goals in mind, let's begin. ICT can enhance programming by complementing other approaches with the aim of providing information and services to larger numbers of men who have sex with men. Using ICT enhances what a community outreach or a drop-in centre alone can offer. This is one example of how complementary and reinforcing forms of communication and services are always needed, given the diversity of men who have sex with men and their varying use of ICT. When using ICT, there must always be links between the virtual and the physical. In other words, any intervention using ICT must have a way to link users to services or resources in real life. ICT methods and strategies can complement existing face-to-face interactions and increase reach for prevention and mobilization, as well as targeted behavioral interventions. This is a list of some of the aspects of HIV and STI programming that ICT interventions can enhance. For example, ICT can increase reach and promote HIV prevention and HIV and STI testing, promote commodities and services such as condoms, strengthen service quality, provide virtual support communities, and create an enabling environment for communities. We will go through each of these examples together in more detail. ICT can be used to promote HIV prevention and testing, as well as increase its reach. Here is one example of this. The British NGO Terence Higgins Trust, THT, placed paid advertising on Grindr for free HIV tests sent through the post, so that men who have sex with men could test themselves for HIV. Once the HIV test was completed, the users would send the test kit back in the post. Test results were communicated via text message if negative and over the phone if reactive, offering referrals to face-to-face services. The messaging on Grindr used language and descriptions that had been user-tested with men who have sex with men. A single advertising message on Grindr was highly cost-effective, generating more than 1,000 orders for postal HIV test kits. ICT can enhance the promotion of commodities and services. Condom and lubricant promotion programs can expand to online venues, particularly those where romantic and casual sexual contacts are made, including platforms for selling sex online. Social media messaging should reinforce and complement condom and lubricant promotional messages in other mass media and inform individuals about condom and lubricant outlets. Online condom and lubricant promotion programs should also promote access to other prevention services for HIV and sexually transmitted infections, such as testing and counselling. ICT can also be used to monitor and report commodity stockouts using SMS, Twitter, Facebook, or other mass messaging applications. ICT allows a variety of people to report along the supply chain. ICT interventions can be used to increase the quality of services provided for men who have sex with men. For example, in a care setting, providing ICT-based training and resources for healthcare and social service providers, as well as for organizations of men who have sex with men, can enhance the quality and comfort of care community members receive. Additionally, ICT provides easy and anonymous avenues for men who have sex with men to provide feedback on the quality of services they receive. These interventions can address structural barriers to care for men who have sex with men. Take a moment to check your understanding. True or false? ICT interventions can replace face-to-face services completely. The answer is false. ICT interventions can be used to complement existing face-to-face interactions and should be linked to offline services in the real world. ICT allows for the creation of virtual support communities. For example, virtual safe spaces can provide a platform for HIV-positive men who have sex with men to gather, receive and give emotional support and share information and resources in navigating their HIV diagnosis. An online safe space can be used by men to share their thoughts, opinions and desires about sexuality and pleasurable and safe sexual experiences. Another example would be facilitating a support group on Skype. ICT can be an important tool in creating an enabling environment for HIV and STI prevention and for promoting the well-being of gay, bisexual and other MSM more generally. They can also help to link individuals who might not otherwise be able for the purposes of solidarity and support. ICT tools can assist MSM in communicating information about their needs and rights, which can be collected, aggregated and used for advocacy, funding applications or to confront structural barriers to rights and services. Implementers can also create simple programs to reveal human rights violations using open source platforms. The possibilities are endless. These are just some ideas of the many ways ICT can be applied. Before moving on, please consider the questions presented in this self-check and assess your understanding of the information presented in this module. This third module concludes the Using Information and Communication Technology chapter of the MSM Implementation Toolkit. To review, in this module we have explored specific examples of the application of ICT in HIV and STI programming for MSM, including program management and promoting enabling environments. Congratulations, you made it! We encourage you to continue learning and explore the other chapters in this tool.